everyone, my name's Allie and welcome back to my channel, Mindful Living. I've been growing lots of leafy greens and lettuce in my container garden this spring, and with the heat of summer starting to set in, it's finally time to harvest all of my lettuce. Lettuce is a cool season crop, so you want to harvest it before the temperatures start to rise. In today's video, I'll be sharing 2 different ways to harvest lettuce, how to wash and store your fresh lettuce so it lasts even longer, and stick around to the end of the video if you want to see a few simple salad recipes that are so easy to throw together. Okay, let's get started. So first here, I'm going to show you guys my lettuce tower. This is a stackable planter that I purchased from Amazon, and I always choose to grow my lettuce in this container. As lettuce has a shallow root system, they don't need a very deep container to grow, and I'm able to grow 10 heads of lettuce at one time. The varieties I've been growing is Butter Crunch lettuce, which is heat tolerant and slow to bolt, Little Gem Romaine, which is another heat tolerant variety, and Prize Head red leaf lettuce. When harvesting your homegrown lettuce, you have 2 different options. Option number 1 is to harvest the entire head of lettuce. To do this, you just need sharp scissors or pruning shears, and you're going to cut the lettuce directly at the base. I usually like to harvest my lettuce this way when it's gotten quite large, but it will also depend on how much lettuce you need. If you're going to be making a big salad, then go ahead and harvest the entire head. Option number 2 is the cut and come again method, and this is the technique I use most often. So this is when you simply harvest the larger outer leaves of your lettuce and you leave the middle to continue growing. By doing this, you're going to get multiple harvests off of one lettuce plant, and you want to cut as close to the base of the plant as you can. This harvesting method is also great if you only need a couple leaves to add to a sandwich or a burger. Once you harvest as many leaves as you need, I'm going to bring you guys into my kitchen and show you how to wash and store your homegrown lettuce. I'm just getting started with chopping the base of my lettuce off, and I'm going to roughly chop this into bite-sized pieces, and if you plan to use it on a sandwich or a wrap, then you can leave the leaves whole. So I just roughly chop this, and I'm going to be adding it into my salad spinner and washing it and then spinning it dry. I love using a salad spinner. It gets all of the water and moisture off your leaves, which is really important for long-term storage. If the leaves are wet or moist before you put them in the fridge, they will easily wilt and go bad, so you want to make sure you're thoroughly drying your lettuce before you store it. Another tip is to add a piece of paper towel to the top of your storage container, which will absorb any excess moisture. When stored this way, your homegrown lettuce should last anywhere from 4 to 5 days. Once my lettuce is washed and ready to use, one of my favorite salads is Greek salad. This comes together in less than 10 minutes. I top my lettuce with fresh tomatoes, cucumbers, onions, and feta cheese, made a simple lemon vinaigrette, and mix it all together for a refreshing side salad. This is great served alongside any protein of your choice. Another great salad option is adding fresh fruit into your salads. You can use any fruit of your choice. I'll be using strawberries. And this adds a refreshing yet sweet taste to your salads. If you've never tried fruit in your salad, I highly recommend that you do. I've also topped my salad with finely sliced red onions, cucumber, and some toasted pumpkin seeds for a little bit of crunch. Use any salad dressing you like here, but personally, I love the combination of strawberries with a balsamic vinaigrette. And my third salad option is a meal in itself. It's inspired by Chipotle. This is topped with grilled chicken, pinto beans, tomatoes, a homemade corn salsa, and a cilantro lime vinaigrette. This salad is packed with protein and tons of veggies. I love putting this together on a hot summer day when you don't want to turn on your oven. Simply grill your chicken on your barbecue and throw this together for a satisfying and healthy Mexican-inspired salad. I hope if you guys enjoyed this video today, you will leave me a like. Make sure to leave a comment down below. Let me know which salad was your favorite. And don't forget to hit subscribe. It really does help to support me in the growth of my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one.